Hi. So our topic for today is going to be immune system. Our immune system is responsible for the protection of our body against pathogens. And just like every other system in our body, like our circulatory system, our nervous system, our immune system requires organs, and those organs are going to be our primary and secondary lymphoid organs. Now, the primary organs are responsible for both the development and maturation of lymphocytes, while our secondary organs are only responsible for the activation and initiation of an adaptive immune response. Think of it like med school. Your med school is where you grow, learn, and mature, while your hospital is where you perform what you have learned. So, your med school is going to be your primary organ, and your hospital is going to be your secondary organ. Now, you might have noticed that in front of primary organs, I've listed T cell as an exception. The reason being because if this is our bone marrow and this is our thymus, so it is in our bone marrow where the T cell progenitors are produced and they migrate to the thymus where they mature. While the B cell, their production and maturation both happen inside the bone marrow itself. Now for our secondary lymphoid organs, they are our lymph nodes, spleen, tonsils, appendix, Peyer's patches, adenoids. But the most important one of them is going to be our lymph nodes and our spleen. And we are going to be discussing them in our next lectures.